At pole, value of acceleration due to gravity is g greater than that of equator. Is it is correct? We know that Earth is rotating about its axis. Because of rotation of Earth, there will be a centrifugal force will act on the object which are kept on the surface. So if you are considering an object somewhere over here which is making an angular position, let's say that is equal to theta with respect to equatorial line, or at a latitude theta with respect to equatorial line, we know that the value of g at that position will be equal to g naught minus r omega square into cos square theta. So there will be at this particular point the value of theta, or at equator theta will be equal to 0. Then g will have its minimum value, and pole this theta will be 90, so g will have its maximum value. So we can say that both the statements are correct, and the reason is also correct for the assertion.